campaign to the scheduling. So that pulling out. So once the campaign is done, then we will move to the booking. So under booking, what happens is we need to pull out the number of spots that we allotted on the campaign to the scheduling. So that pulling out is happening through this booking process. So we have normal booking for 1 month, monthly basis, or it's called short-term booking, and yearly booking is also available, which means for long-term booking. So under booking, we can add the campaign first, then we need to select the add button, and the everything else is auto selected. Instead, we need to give the number of spot per day and number of rate per spot. So after that, if you want to remove any day from this list, that we can do. If you want to remove any commercial from the list, that we can do like this, and then just add. So as per the selection, as you can see, except Monday and Sunday, every else all days is filled with 5 commercials for the 3 commercials. So this is how the booking is happening. So once it's saved, these booked spot will be reflected on the scheduling process. So then we have, as I said, yearly booking, the same booking is happening. Then we have booking transfer. So under our umbrella, we have multiple channels, right? So that channels can, to that channels, we can push our commercials. So from date and to date can be select, and we can click the transfer to push the content to there. Then edit line, booking line number, which means if we want to make any edit on the booking that we did already, we can come here and we can select the campaign and we can do the needful edits over there. Then we came to the make good spot. Make good spot is an option to find out what are the booked spots are not gone on air once the reconciliation is done. That is a little different. So this is all about the sales module. So once the sales module is done, then we will move to the planning module. So under planning module, what happens is we can create a planning very effortlessly. So this is the filter over here. So from this filter, we can go for one channel and one date. So once this done, then we will move to the planning grid. So from this planning grid, we can add the library over here, and so from the library we can drag and drop and plot the content where do we want to place. So this is just a normal manual method, but instead of this, we can go for recursive option over here. So from this recursive option, we can apply recursive, and we can add a repeat pattern to this recursive module. Then we can add end date and to date to perform this recursive. We have a loop option to repeat the same recursive option forever. Then we can use the exclusive date, which if you want to remove any day or dates from between these things, that we can do. So by using these all features, automated features, we can simply plan the grid with errorless. So that is there. Then we will move to the scheduling. So under scheduling, what happens is we can ingest the commercials in between the playlist. So for that, we have media library again over here. So we need to select a few commercials over here and just come to run option over here. Just click short form, then just click yes. So from here, the weightage is 100, as you can see, means every breaks this content will get filled. If you give 50% as weightage on every alternative breaks, this content will get filled. Apart from this, we can go for play count. If we select play count and give 15, for example, all over the playlist, this content will plotted for 15 times. Just click save. By giving this criteria, just click save. It will get plotted in seconds. So the playlist will get ready like this. So similarly, we can do secondary ones also like this. Under run option itself, we have the same for book to commercials, fill playlist, fill fast playlist. So many automated features are available here, and also it's available the checklist. Checklist basically means we can check whether this playlist is fit to go on air or not, including the error messages. So if we click over there, we will directly go to the place where the error is founded over there. So similarly, we can do the same. So after the playlist is done, then we can go for export to the MCR. So this is how the scheduling module works in a nutshell.